Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So, today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable speak words on iPhone. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, you have to go to your settings app on your phone. Here you are. I'm gonna open it right now. And after that, just find out the accessibility. Scroll it down a bit more, and yeah, I'm gonna tap it right now here. After that, go ahead to spoken content. Next, select the typing feedback. In this page, you will see speak words option. Just tap on the toggle next to speak words. It will turn green, and to disabling, you just have to tap on it at the same way. So yeah guys, just it. Here I'm gonna let it to on or enable. So yeah, that's all. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you guys. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.